This is Chris from Goodland Plumbing. Today's date is January 12th, 2024. Time is about 2:30 p.m. We are at 6753 Trigo Road for Ashland Pacific. Installed temporary cleanout in saw cut section of driveway close to ADU, where we found the Orangeburg sewer lateral cut and capped, causing the units to back up. Unable to drain anywhere due to being capped. We are now draining about 130 feet out from here. This is as far as I can push out this camera through the Orangeburg. We're going to be going against flow. As you can see, the pipe is out of round. I did snake about 100 feet from the clean out that was behind the ADU, going down the driveway of the residence behind the ADU. See, you've got some root intrusion here, about 125 feet from this clean out. Looks like we had some root intrusion there at 108 feet. Some root intrusion here about 100 feet out. Line is full of mud and debris due to where they cut out. They only capped one side, allowing mud to come in. There's that possible clean out that I found down the driveway. Unknown if this is where the unit behind us, or behind this, the ADU ties in, possibly. You can see here's a good picture of how out of round the sewer lateral is. It's not round, it's more oval. Tons of debris on bottom of the pipe. Large piece of some sort of debris, could be a piece of the pipe itself. Possible broken line. So there's some more root intrusion there, about 52 feet out. So here's our ABS cleanout tie-in. That is behind the ADU. Not the ADU cleanout, but it's a cleanout for the main sewer line that's behind the ADU at end of driveway for neighboring unit. So we're going to get stuck right in here. Possible broken line here. I believe this is where it transitions from Orangeburg to ABS. As you can see, very small hole. And dirt and debris in there. I believe this is underneath the ADU. Transition from Orangeburg to ABS. Coming up our temporary clean out. So here we are down the driveway. Basically, every time we snaked from this clean out here, it would come out and come down the driveway. Or if we cambered it, same thing. And right down in there was capped on that side, left open on that side, and this was all buried flush with concrete. We're about 3 feet down. So that side, which is actually the lateral, which goes through the ADU, or underneath, there's a clean out basically directly on the other side of this ADU, and then runs straight down driveway of neighboring unit on the back of ADU. First video was from that clean out back there, where we were only able to get about 92 feet out from there, which was maybe about 6 to 8 feet off from the sidewalk, so unable to get all the way out to the city lateral. As well as here, we weren't able to get out to city lateral. But currently, they are draining. End of video.